Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This Curbside week is on fire. So basically you're going to put your order in as a pickup, curbside pickup, order it through your cell phone or a desktop computer. You must do these deals that specific way. To answer a very quick question, they've changed the rules around there. Any deals with Register Rewards or Walgreens Cash, do them in store. They will not give you the Walgreens Cash or Register Rewards. It's the breaks and how things go now with these curbside deals. So if you're going to place an order, go pick it up. Maybe if you're going to say, for example, do the Garnier deal, do it in store. Customer service also, they will not work with you on this anymore. It's a hard and fast no. Okay, so let's talk about deal number one. I gotta say, every deal is really fantastic, so put one in ASAP. We're going to be grabbing one of these Bling contact lens solutions for $6.37. Curbside pickup for all of them. So that blue box, that's what we're pressing in the app. We need to load these two digital coupons that include a $3 off for the Blink along with the IVC coupon. So these two, make sure you have both of them loaded. Now we're going to search Revlon. There's two different eyelash curlers. We're looking for this cheapy one for $2.54. So this is a little eyelash curling tool. There's another one I think for like $6 and some change, and that would be way too much. So we're looking for this cheapy one for $2.45. Now, we have a $3 coupon, and yes, it's working with that beauty tool. It's not a nail file, and it's not on clearance, so it'll work perfectly. We're also going to be looking for this specific Father's Day card. It's $1 as the curbside price. I think in store it would probably be a little bit more. So I'm putting 3 in the basket because we have a $2 off one, so that'll get reduced down right to $1. There is zero overage over at Walgreens. We also have a 2 off a 2. So coupon wise, I am covered to get 3 free Father's Day cards. I'm also going to throw in, because I'm a little bit short, one Baby Ruth candy bar for 99 cents because there is a checkout 51 rebate, so it'll just make the deal a little bit sweeter. There is your dad humor of the day for all of you that love to laugh at my lame jokes. Okay, so we do have a code to get a little bit off, which is Fast10. You must be logged in to use it, so make sure that you're logged into the app. So we have our Blink, the IVC, the Father's Day coupons, and the Revlon coupon. So that gorgeous chorus line all coming off. And here it is, guys. Our subtotal is $14.47. We have the code in the IVC, curbside pickup, so that's free. I have a little bit of tax there, and $8.99 in manufacturers. So the total there is $1.90. You can use some Walgreens Cash if you wish to pay that down, but after your checkout 51 rebate, it's $1.52 for the 6 items or 25 cents per product. And this is what the Baby Ruth rebate looks like, and we're not using a digital coupon with. And if you look at the bottom of it, it shows all of the valid stores. Walgreens is the last one listed. Okay, deal number 2. We're grabbing a hodgepodge of cleaning products. The first one is the Palmolive, and as you can see, the curbside price is 2 for $2.49. And we have a $1 digital coupon. If you love Palmolive, this is your thing. So that top coupon, load it. The second item we're going to grab is a Snuggle or All product. I just went with these dryer sheets because I'm basic and boring. And we have a $1.50 digital coupon. Please make sure you have that loaded. So if you want a little bit of this, a little bit of that for your home, this is the basket for this deal. We're also going to grab one of these CoverGirl mascaras for $5.69. I'm trying to get my math right to 10, so that's why I grabbed the more expensive, but you can definitely look for what they have and maybe grab a Baby Ruth or whatever you'd like. We have this $4 digital coupon. So how wonderful is that? Like, $1.69 mascara, that is unheard of. Okay, guys, so looking at the Fast 10 coming off. And if you can't get Fast 10 to work on the app, try a desktop computer. Sign into a desktop computer and you'll see it work. And Fast 10 is once per account, so if you used it last week, you can't use it again. Snuggle, Palmolive, CoverGirl, all those gorgeous coupons off. Looking at the subtotal here, it's $10.92, 44 cents for the promotion. Curbside pickup, I'm driving there, and there is the tax at 63 cents. Every state, the tax will be a little bit different. And then we have our $6.50 in gorgeous coupons coming off right there. Now, my estimated basket is $4.61, a little bit more for the Palmolive and for the Balance, for the All, and also the mascara is $1 and some change. So I would use $4 in Walgreens cash and pay 61 cents and laugh all the way to the bank and back. I think it's a really good use of Walgreens cash, especially when you're getting an All or Snuggle product in the mix. Okay, the next deal, a big shout out over on TikTok to Grace. She's going to be in the comments, so I will pin her comment if she comments. But this is her deal. She was talking about it yesterday. It's a No7. It's an acne treatment, 2%, $14.99. This is a online price only. If you do this in store, it's $24.99, which is just entirely too expensive, and you already know that. We have a $12 digital coupon that is attaching to this product. So I think you can just line up the math perfectly there, where this is going to be really inexpensive if you love the No7 products. And it is some pretty slim pickings, the digitals that are attaching to these products, but this one is in fact attaching. So again, using the code FAST10, we're logging into our desktop computer, and then we have our $12 digital coupon that's coming off. So how lovely is that you're getting $12 off of one of these products that's $14.99. So lining up the math again, I would use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay that $3.57, use $3. So at the checkout page, it's the top left-hand corner. You will scroll down. If you have Walgreens cash, you can use up to $3. Charge 57 cents to your debit or credit card, and you're laughing all the way to the bank. And you have a really nice skin cream. I still get acne flare-ups. Really great product to have in your stockpile. So the final deal is called Getting Creative. So we're just going to take the last deal and throw in the Father's Day cards. Because you know what, guys? I had the sneakiest suspicion this will not be around very long like they did the Mother's Day. So load this $2 off along with the 2 off of 2. So load those 2 digital coupons. And then we're also going to be grabbing this specific one because it's the only dollar card. And so we're going to put $3 worth of those cards in our basket, along with the $14.99 No7. And then we want our $12 digital coupon. Sorry, I'm not going to show it again. Also in our wallet there. So looking at this, we have Fast 10, so 30 cents is coming off, along with the No7 coupon, the $2 for the 2 off of 2 for the Hallmark, and then the $1 off for the Hallmark card. So right there, you can see this gorgeous chorus line of coupons that are just working for you. So in case you're forgetful and like, I need a Father's Day card, just throw it in with the No7. So the subtotal there was $17.99. Fast 10 is 30 cents off. Curbside pickup is free. Look at the tax, $1.06. $15 of digitals. You're paying $3.75. I would use $3 of Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay 75 cents and laugh dramatically all the way to the bank and back. Put your orders in ASAP, guys. These are such fire deals this week. It's going to go super, super quickly, but you already know that. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.